Hey guys! Today we're drawing SpongeBob SquarePants step by step. Follow along with me. First, draw a wavy, wiggly square for the body. Right below it, add a straight rectangle to start his pants. Now let's give him a big, happy smile in the center. After that, draw his thin arms and hands reaching out from the sides. Moving down, let's draw his stick-thin legs and those iconic shiny black boots at the bottom. Now for the face. Draw 2 large circles for the eyes and a small, curved nose right between them. Inside the eyes, draw the pupils. Then, add his 2 famous front teeth and a cute little tongue inside the mouth. To make him look like a sponge, add small circles all over his body. Finally, add 3 tiny eyelashes above each eye. Time to color. We'll start with yellow for the body, then color the mouth and pants. Finish up with the hands and boots. And we're done. Thanks for watching.